Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm packing my hospital bag as a 10-time mom, getting ready to meet baby number three. After doing this a couple of times already, I've learned what I actually used and what I can leave behind. So I'm keeping things simple and intentional this time around. I'll be sharing everything I'm packing for labor and delivery and postpartum in case you are preparing for your own hospital stay or just curious about what a take time mom bring. If you enjoy this kind of content, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. So let's go ahead and start packing. Alright guys, that is everything I'm packing in my hospital bag for baby number 3. It feels so real knowing that the next time this bag is opened, I'll be meeting our sweet baby. I hope this video was helpful or encouraging, especially if you are preparing for birth yourself. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.